Hi, my name is Mark, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking CX 8100 24-port SFP Plus switch. The CX 8100 series switches are designed for 10 gig core, aggregation and top-of-rack deployments. The switch comes in both SFP Plus and 10 gig base T configurations for 24 and 48 port models. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here is the warranty, safety and regulatory information, as well as QR links to the switch documentation. There are two country-specific power cords and a 2-post rack mount kit for the standard 19-inch rack with the associated screws. Please note that the 4-post rack mount kit is a separately orderable part. This is the chassis itself, and there's nothing else in the box. Let's have a closer look at the chassis. On the front, you will find 24 SFP Plus ports. These ports are capable of taking on a range of 1 and 10 gig transceivers. There are 4 100 gig QSFP28 ports used for VSX stacking and uplinks. Here's the LED mode selector button and a USB-C type console port. Here we have a dedicated out-of-band management port and auxiliary USB-A port. At the bottom, there's an orange insert that contains the switch part number, serial number and MAC address. Note the perforations along the switch face. These are used to ingest cold air with front to back models or exhaust hot air with back to front models. At the back of the switch you will find dual power supplies and 3 fan trays that are factory pre-installed. Airflow in these is fixed, so you will need to order a correct switch model with either front to back, also known as ports to power airflow, or back to front, aka power to ports airflow, to match your cold aisle hot aisle configuration. Here you will also find stickers with your switch part number, MAC address and serial number. There are 2 grounding lugs, power supply and fan status LEDs and an RJ45 type console port. Please note that a console cable is not included with the switch. If required, these would need to be ordered separately. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.